It's about 4:30 in the morning and I am at the beautiful Maroon Lake Trailhead in Aspen, Colorado. And today I'm hoping to trail run the 4-pass loop. It should be about 28 miles, maybe I think 7,800 feet of elevation gain. And I've hiked all around it. I've done it before, but I've never done it in one day in one push. So it should be pretty fun. Gonna warm up, get started, and start going up. Mishap number one of the day. My filter is broken. So when I try and filter, it just... See that? See that? That's awesome. Back at the car, one shoe on, one shoe off. Ended up running 2 extra miles to make it 30 miles. But yeah, all in all, pretty amazing day. I've had this on the bucket list for a while and I didn't really decide to do it until like 4 days ago when I saw permit opens. So glad to have pulled it off. Definitely wish I didn't eat that salmon stick, but you know, still pretty awesome day regardless. So yeah, this is the first time I've ever made like a like a trail running video, so I don't know how it'll turn out, but the mountains here and this area of Colorado in particular is like very special to me, so definitely wanted to commemorate doing this whole thing in a day. Yeah, ended up being, I think, 8.5 hours, so definitely without the stomach pain it could have been sub 8, but yeah, awesome day, and looking forward to more trail runs this season.